Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another shortcut tutorial. Now today we're going to be doing keyframes and videos. Now this is going to be split up into a couple parts, so anyway, we're just going to get started. So, size and position. This is kind of moving it about. I have no idea what's the quality of my face cam doing. So, you've got your image, you've got the size and position, you can, move it about. But if you want to like move into position, so say it's like this, and I'm going to do this right now. So this, and I want to go into the top right of the screen. There you go. I want to show you how to do it. You click this little timer here. Before you do that, you want to make sure that you start. So, Alt, and then the arrow direction that you want to go. So I'll be Alt left. It'll take you to the closest split. And then you go to keyframes. Then you want to click after that, and it'll take it right to here. If you happen to do it here, all I need to do is just click back and then add in a keyframe. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to add in one there, and then I'm just going to zoom it down to there. So that means for here it's starting, but by the time it gets here, it'll be there, and it's just going to zoom at this bit. The closer they are, the faster it's going to zoom. So if I put it here, it's going to be fast. If I put it here, it's going to be slow. That's why by the time it's here, but that starts. So as you can see, it's rotating. I want to add one here, so it's going to start there. But I want to add one here, and then by the time it gets there, I want to be there. I can also move this. And then by the time it gets to here, I want it to be there. Just like that. I hope I'm explaining this okay. So there's keyframes in most things, and the keyframe that you use, if it doesn't have it, then you can't use keyframes. So like crop. Crop does not have a little timer, so you can't keyframe the crop. You can't just slowly build it in. Brightness does have a keyframe. You just click that, and then say you want it to be that bright by the time it gets here, and then when it gets to here, you want it to be away down there. It's just going to gradually get better, and it's just going to go back down like that. So all you need to do is really just explode it. Opacity is quite a good one for using a keyframe. You can take it to here. So you just want fade out, you could just do that. So that's pretty much it. I just kind of showing you how to use the keyframes, and if it doesn't have a timer, there's no keyframes available unfortunately, but if it does have a timer, then make sure to first to Alt and then left click. It'll take you to the start of the clip. So basically the closest split to which direction you're going. So if it's left, it's going to be closest on left, and vice versa. I hope this helps. If it did, smash that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, because yeah, it's free and I make good videos, so please check out my NuggetShorts. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace. All I need to do is just click back and then add in a keyframe. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to add in one there, and then I'm just going to zoom it down to there. So that means for here it's starting, but by the time it gets to here, it'll be there, and it's just going to zoom at this bit. The closer they are, the faster it's going to zoom. So if I put it here, it's going to be fast.